How to unadd people on Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can unadd people on your Snapchat. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. So open the Snapchat app on your Android device, and after that you will have to tap right here on your Bitmoji icon, and after that you will have to search for my friends option. So guys, make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to unadd the friends you have to tap on one of the friend name, and after that you will find different options. From there you will have to tap right here on manage friendship, and from there you can remove your friends, you can report them, and you can also block that person. So this is how you can easily unadd people on your Snapchat account. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.